Hello friends, today we have a shoe rack that I also restored a few months ago. Last time I made special axes to hold the shelves, now you can see them. But we still have one problem. The shelves sometimes open by themselves and it was decided to use magnets to prevent the shelves from opening. For this I will need the help of a 3D printer. The task is to develop a case for magnets and install them using screws. I plan to install magnets on both sides since the shelves are quite heavy. Let's move to the computer and see what I have already designed. I will use magnets of the size 10 by 2 mm from AliExpress. I developed a plate into which a magnetic disc will be inserted and then screwed to the door of the shoe cabinet. Then I developed a fastener inside the shoe cabinet. This part will be screwed to the top of the cabinet. It can also be installed on the side. A magnet will also be inserted into a round hole and will be fixed with a special plug, which in turn will ensure the fixation of the magnet. The magnet will no longer fall out. The mount consists of 3 parts and 2 magnets. Let's assemble this structure. Take one magnet and insert it into a round groove in the plastic. This part will be screwed to the door. Let's take another magnet and insert it into the groove on another structure. Done. The magnets are installed, and now to prevent the magnet from falling out, we install a plug that will fix the magnet. Done. Our structure is assembled and let's see how it will work. Let's install it in the shoe rack. I have already installed magnets in the shoe rack and let's see how it looks and works. As you can see, the magnet is installed both on the door and inside the shoe rack. Magnets are installed on both sides for better fixation. Now you need to make an effort to open the door. The door stopped opening spontaneously and interfering. Finally, the problem is solved. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and put your thumbs up. Good luck, friends.